imitation crab salad. So we're gonna grab one shallot minced up, and there, get started. Fresh basil, celery, okay, chopped up celery. So there. Ah yeah, a touch of parsley. Parsley's nice in salad. I like it. Dill, or half a teaspoon of dill, adds a bit of flavor for the pollock or imitation crab. That's usually what imitation crab is, if you didn't know.
Half a teaspoon of paprika.
Salt. Salt and pepper. Any salad, a little bit of lemon juice always helps, especially seafood too. Mayonnaise. Or a half a cup. It's not a salad if you don't have cheese in it. Parmesan cheese. That's what I'm thinking. Just mix it all up. Show you how to present our salad. So this is an imitation version crab salad. I'll do a regular crab salad as well. Show you how to present our salad. A little bit of paprika on top. Touch of parsley on top. A small sprinkle of Parmesan cheese, a little bit on top. Done. Imitation crab decided. Imitation crab salad a try. Alright. Wow. Crunchy. All the flavors come together really well. I'm liking it. Fairly healthy as well. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the imitation crab salad. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Love ya, and we'll see you in the next one.